Have you ever pondered how a spacecraft manages to break free from Earth's gravity and reach space orbit? Well, today we take a fascinating journey tracing the path of a spacecraft from launch to orbit, unfolding the marvels of space travel. Imagine, it's a clear morning at the Kennedy Space Center. The countdown has begun and the anticipation is palpable. The spacecraft, a marvel of human engineering, stands ready for its voyage. As the countdown reaches zero, the engines roar to life, spewing flames and smoke, and the spacecraft begins its ascent. The first phase of the journey, known as the launch phase, is perhaps the most dramatic. The spacecraft, propelled by the sheer force of its engines, pushes against the Earth's gravity. It's a battle of power, the spacecraft striving to ascend, while Earth's gravity pulls it downward. As the spacecraft ascends, it enters the second phase of its journey, the Ascent Phase. During this phase, the spacecraft travels upward and outward, reaching speeds upwards of 25,000 miles per hour. It's an incredible feat, as the spacecraft not only has to overcome Earth's gravity but also has to withstand the intense heat generated by air friction. Once the spacecraft reaches a certain point, it initiates a sequence known as the orbit insertion. This is the moment when the spacecraft angles itself towards the Earth and fires its engines one last time. The force generated by this maneuver propels the spacecraft into a stable orbit around the Earth. Now, the spacecraft is in the final phase of its journey, the orbit phase. It's now circling the Earth, freed from the constraints of gravity. Here, in the silence of space, the spacecraft can carry out its mission, whether it's observing our planet, exploring the cosmos, or serving as a platform for scientific research. In summary, the journey of a spacecraft from launch to orbit is a complex and awe-inspiring process. It begins with the dramatic launch, where the spacecraft battles Earth's gravity. Then comes the ascent phase, where the spacecraft reaches incredible speeds and angles itself towards Earth. Finally, the spacecraft enters the orbit phase, where it circles the Earth, free to carry out its mission. This journey from Earth to space is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a reminder that even the seemingly impossible can become possible, and that the cosmos, vast and mysterious, is within our reach.